I think no conversation ends with the impact of AI in marketing. So, what is the part of AI in marketing that can never be automated?
Now, like I said, I think creativity will singularly be the most important piece that marketers bring to the table. AI can't love consumers, and it's very important that there is that we've spoken about it at length around consumer love and obsession. AI will use math to sort of come to decisions, suggestions, product ideas. Oftentimes we tell that consumers tell you what they want. I mean, they don't tell you. They will say multiple things around, problems that they are facing or something not working. They will never tell you that they need a product. Right? It goes back to the whole conversation on how cars happened. If you asked consumers, they would have asked for faster horses, not a car. Right. And I think that's the thinking that a marketer brings to the table, because AI is today working on existing knowledge. It is not creating anything new. Cars didn't exist. Claude or Gemini or Perplexity will say horse. It will not say car, right? So I think that aspect very truly stays with marketing. I'm sure there will be evolution in this space. Maybe it'll start playing creative as well. But that also pushes us to keep working harder in this space. One of the other things that I would want to add here is, when industrial revolution happened, people thought, oh my God, all the jobs are gone because suddenly manual is becoming industrial. Da da da. There was a whole conversation. When internet came, people were worried. When modern trade came, people thought the general trade will get over. E-com came, people thought something else will get over. The point is, we are evolving as a community, as human beings, and something new will always keep coming. It pushes us to keep getting better and keep expanding what we are really capable of. So maybe AI will become more creative like humans. By that time, humans will also have become better at something else, which AI can't. We created AI. We should not be scared of it. We'll create something else. So I think that's my view on AI. We should not be scared of things that we ourselves create, and figure out how we continue using them so that we can do our job a lot better. We created it for exactly that.